Hi guys, my name is Rachel Nidek and I am from Rochester, Minnesota. I have not had too many work roles where I've encountered mental health. I just graduated from my undergrad in 2016. But during my senior practicum there, I worked with some kids who had um, they had behavioral conditions or ADD and autism and ODD. So working with these kids who live in more of a rougher neighborhood and needed to learn, they were learning some behavioral skills. So that was my biggest encounter in a professional world. Currently I work for a retirement center owned by Mayo, and in this place we've got people who have anxiety and depression and have to deal with the end of life and aging, and so you've got some suicide attempts. So not too much experience. I do have experience just interacting with my friends and um, just dealing with personal life and personal interactions. There's some mental health encounters there. But my beliefs about a mental diagnosis, I think that it's hard because it's not black and white. It's very much um, a gray area. So the symptoms um, can be beneficial to measure the impact um, of how those symptoms will impact life, and what adjustments can be made to help you live a better life, and what treatment plans can be made from those symptoms. Otherwise, I think that the label causes more damage than it causes benefits, because it puts a permanent tattoo on you, and that's how people will see you. They can't see past that label. So I think that it probably does more harm than good. And then, in what ways do I participate to make a DSM-5 diagnosis? I don't really do much interaction with the DSM. I've always been interested just scrolling through it and looking at it, but I don't have the ability to or qualifications to actually make a diagnosis. But I think it would always be good to know the symptoms. But I'm excited to keep learning more about it and get more knowledge and be able to use it in my personal life. So I'm excited to learn with you guys. All right. Thank you.